Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to figure out how to watch YouTube TV outside the US, whether you're traveling or living abroad, you've probably noticed it's not as simple as just opening the app. That's because YouTube TV is geo-restricted, meaning it only works if you're inside the United States. So what can you do? The most common and reliable way is by using a trusted virtual private network, VPN, that has servers located in the US. A good VPN makes it look like you're browsing from the US, which tricks YouTube TV into letting you access the service. Now, not all VPNs work with YouTube TV. They block a lot of free or cheap ones. So you'll want to pick a premium service like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark, ones that consistently bypass these restrictions. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for a trusted VPN. Install the app on your device, phone, laptop, smart TV, etc. Connect to a US-based server. Open the YouTube TV app or website and log in or sign up. Keep in mind, even after getting in, some local channels might still be limited depending on content licensing. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get YouTube TV working outside the US, drop a comment below and let me know which VPN worked best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and streaming tips. See you next time.